Here I have RAZER phone and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the list of all applications right here, find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down in order to choose security and location. Here you have to scroll down and select the encryptions and credentials options right here. Let me tap it, and here we've got the clear credentials. Let me choose it, and in order to remove all certificates on your device, let's tap OK. That's it, you just clear all your credentials, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.